your only function.
Welcome to A Course in Miracles with the Creator of Miracles, where you can get tuned in, tapped in, turned on, and explore and find your true miracles. Open up to and learn directly with the Creator of Miracles as you are guided directly to the Creator and then taught the lessons in this course, guiding you toward ultimate inner peace, self-love, and your miracle is none other than your host, spiritually dialed in leader, the LCM lady, Leslie Gunterson.
Welcome, beautiful souls. Welcome back to A Course in Miracles with the Creator of Miracles. Today is lesson 65, and the text of the lesson reads, "My only function is the one Creator gave me." Our simple focus today is a commitment to Creator's version of salvation, which is being the light of the world, being in complete forgiveness. And we have a reminder that we just need about 10 to 15 minutes of meditation in the morning and in the evening to sustain our practice, where we just listen to the Creator of all that is, Creator's thoughts about what this idea means for you, on top of our meditation to go and ask. Anytime you're meditating and listening for Creator of all that is, you can address any distracting thoughts by reminding yourself of your function, I am the light of the world, and how that brings real, genuine happiness, and your desire to replace illusions with truth. That would be the function of meditation, to replace the illusions with truth. So a trip today to the Creator of all that is on our agenda. We'll go today to the Creator of all that is for this lesson, as always. So we begin with our feet flat on the floor. Nothing is crossed. Breathing up unconditional love, energy, highest vibration of life through the feet, filling up your feet, your toes, your ankles, your lower legs, knees, your thighs and hips, up the back of your body and your spine, all the way up through the center of your spine to the shoulders and down into your arms and hands and fingers, up the back of your neck to the top of your head. Then pause and let go of anything you no longer need down the front of your body, sending it to the core of the earth. And breathe up with me again. Unconditional love, light, energy through your feet, tingling all the way up through your feet, your legs, all the way up your hips, filling up every cell of your body, any place you have discomfort or disease or pain or misalignment, any place there's blockages that need opening. Unconditional love can make the way. That is the source of our miracle. All the way up the back of your body, filling up every cell of your body. And when you get to the top of your head, again, let go of anything that no longer serves you down the front of your body, sending it to the center of the earth. Before breathing up a third time, unconditional love, light, energy up the back of your body, breathing it in, breathing it up, filling up your legs. When you get to the base of your body, you can open up your base chakra, your next chakra, by your belly button, up all the way up your chakras and your solar plexus, your heart, your throat, your third eye, your crown chakra, opening up all the chakras as you fill every cell of your body with unconditional love, light, energy. And when your whole body is so full it can no longer hold any more unconditional love, it'll spill out the top of your body, the top of your head, spilling out into a big ball of light. Notice the color in this big, spacious, beautiful ball as you rise up out of your chair, up past the ceiling, past the atmosphere, out past the moon, the solar plane, past the Milky Way galaxy, past the universe and the multiverse, up through some layers of lights, up through a golden light, through a thick jelly-like substance, the laws of the universe, and out into a pink cotton candy-like energy, the law of compassion, a comfortable, loving energy. And as you float and move through this energy in your big ball of light, you'll come closer to a doorway with translucent energy spilling out along edges, and as you get closer, you just beckoned in and poof, you're just completely surrounded by unconditional love, light, energy, the highest vibration of life. It tingles, it tickles. You can just gather handfuls of this infinite, impotent energy to cleanse you, to heal you, to achieve your miracle. You can share it with friends, unconditional love, with your loved ones. Just gather it, play with it while I pray. Mother, Father, God, creator of all that is, thank you for my life. Thank you for the listener. Thank you that we can come to this place. Thank you for your unconditional love that's infinite. Thank you for A Course in Miracles and the ability to come and ask for these downloads. And if you would like the downloads today, just say heaven yes. Today, Creator, our lesson is that reminder, my only function is the one you give me. Creator, as we focus on you, as we meditate on you and the function you gave us, and you give us our next step and our true identity, our true function and purpose, help us to know it's safe to allow and listen to your voice. Help us to know it's possible, Creator, to listen, to hear clearly, to understand our function. And it's possible not to get caught up in the distractions of the world. It's safe to sit at Creator's feet and listen for a few minutes every day. It's safe to listen. Who in our influence needs the light of the world? Who in our influence needs our forgiveness? Who needs a peace of mind our forgiveness can grant them? It's safe to hear your voice, to point out those people. It's possible to hear and listen to you. How to go about our function. It's safe and it's possible to have only one function here on earth and still be fulfilled and vital and energized and happy and having a meaningful life. In fact, that is what creates that meaningful life. Thank you, Creator, for that truth. Download that in us. Thank you. It is done. It is done. It is done. I invite you to take a deep breath in and then send it deeply into the floor as you ground yourself in your body. Come back into your body. Maybe you're followed by a shower of unconditional love, light, energy. It tingles, it tickles, and it awakens you. And when you're ready, you can gently open your eyes. I invite you to take a few minutes today, several times today, and do a little quiet meditation upon your function. Creator is generous in wisdom, generous in clarity, if we just ask for it. I just hope you have a really amazing rest of your day and spend some time learning your function. A Course in Miracles with the Creator of Miracles is brought to you by New Life Paradigm NLP. When two or more agree on anything, your miracle is given. If you are benefiting from listening yet want more agreement and partnership, I'm here for you. If you want to discuss your miracle or explore partnered work more deeply, head on over to newlifeparadigmnlp.com and get more support for your miracle. Again, that is New Life Paradigm NLP, spelled NEWLIFEPARADIGMNLP.com to see more options and classes available to help you create the change you want. And as always, thank you for listening. We appreciate your likes, your downloads, and your subscription.